Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in computer. Start by mastering your operating system, understanding file structures, and becoming adept with keyboard shortcuts. Learn basic hardware functions and how to perform simple troubleshooting. These foundational skills are crucial for efficient and confident computer use, setting the stage for more advanced learning and ensuring you can handle everyday tasks with ease. Next, focus on software proficiency. Become highly skilled with common office applications, like word processors and spreadsheets, which are essential for nearly any task. Explore specialized software pertinent to your career or hobbies. Leverage cloud services for seamless collaboration and secure data storage, and always maintain robust data backup and security protocols to protect your valuable information. Understanding networking and cybersecurity is vital. Learn the basics of how computers connect and communicate, including internet protocols. Cultivate strong cybersecurity habits to safeguard your personal and professional data from threats. Develop your critical thinking skills to efficiently solve complex problems. Continuously stay informed about new technologies and industry trends to remain competitive and adaptable in the digital landscape. To truly excel, consider diving into advanced concepts. Learning a programming language, even a basic one, can open doors to automation and development. Explore fields like data analysis, web development, or graphic design based on your interests. Actively engage with online communities and educational platforms to expand your knowledge. Embrace continuous learning as a lifelong journey to stay innovative and at the forefront of technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.